Hello and welcome to another update video about MATIC. MATIC seems to follow our primary forecast, and it's good to see because MATIC seems to be moving up in the fifth wave. Now I've added a micro count, which however has to be taken with a pinch of salt because the microstructure isn't very clear because we're dealing with a diagonal. Hopefully that makes sense. So until we get more clarity, that's best I can offer. Let me take you through this. In recent weeks, you know that we've been talking about the primary wave count, which is here the yellow one, which should send the price higher in a fifth wave within a still unfolding diagonal to $1.10, maybe $1.25 plus. I mentioned to you that the structure, however, isn't very clear, and we will probably not be able to tell you really where exactly we are in the wave 5 until we get a bit more price data. Now I feel comfortable to share an additional micro count that gives us also a key level to watch for key support, which we're going to talk about. Essentially, the micro count is not important, however, because we are dealing just with support levels. They are what is relevant for trading, and this trend reversal area worked out nicely. In my signals I sent also in our gold membership over recent weeks, when we came down here, I highlighted specifically that we can be watching for entry points in this region for a rally into that region up there. So we currently see that reversal. Is it already the thing? Is it already the fifth wave? Possibly. Price action currently suggests it. And the good news is the price did hold the 70-cent level. Yeah, I mean, for me, really 64 cents was the critical support, but 70 cents is sort of the ideal one that we wanted to hold. It is also holding the ascending price channel, which is great to see. And yeah, because a break below the price channel could have already indicated a break of the diagonal structure. For me, the fib levels are more relevant, but still, it's often obviously what are the traders looking at out there, right? And they are looking at trend lines and stuff like that. So it would have indicated weakness, but there's currently no need to get bearish on MATIC until we break below 64 cents. So that's very consistent. That's been the very consistent message over the last few weeks. I know it sometimes is boring, yeah, if I repeat the same message, but I think consistency is important in technical analysis, and it's not about making it interesting necessarily in the markets. We're not here to get super excited. We're here to make money, right? And that's what the analysis is for, and emotions aren't really what we want to see. So sometimes it's the boring stuff that gives you a consistent message that can help you make money. And yeah, our setup did hold, and especially now that we've broken above that B wave high of the decline, it suggests that really this move up is unfolding. Yeah, again, can't promise it. It could still become a much more stretched out wave 4, which is why I've got the wave 4 with a question mark still here as in the last few videos. But again, it's only with a question mark, and ideally we are already in that fifth wave now. However, there are still a few levels that now need to break in terms of resistances to further confirm that we are indeed moving up. The first level to watch is the 78.6 retrace of the move to the downside. So that means it's 91.9 cents. I'm not going to leave that on the chart because I do not want to indicate a short trade area, but it's a 91.9 cent level that, if that's broken, would further give that assumption that we have bottomed in wave 4 a further, boost in confidence, you could say, in probability. Also, if you're looking for a key support level to use, I personally would use the 78.3 cent level, which is the B wave low. That is critical because if we break below that, it would indicate we are coming down in a lower wave 4. And what is the projection for this C wave? Well, we can use the A to C ratio. So actually it's 89.7 cents is the 100% extension. That's actually quite close already, but that's really only the ideal target for a C. They can always go a little longer. 92.7, 94.5, and even 97 cents would not be something that is unreasonable in this C wave, as the A wave is still unfolding. We might then see a deeper B and another C. That's what I see right now, but there are other possibilities that can be used here, from an Elliott wave point of view, from a wave count point of view. That's not so important. Again, the micro count is not so important. We had our setup here. The levels are important, and these here give you now a projection to the upside. But overall, I'm still sort of watching for $1.10, $1.25 plus in this fifth wave. Once we have all 5 waves complete, we can work with that, and I will add a support area to the chart for the next setup. That's my update about MATIC. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. You can find the links in the description. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.